Guys, for today's video, we make a chicken kabsa. Look, I prepare already the vegetables. There's tomato and onion, garlic. Then I cut the chicken. This is whole chicken, but I cut in 8 pieces. Then there's a zucchini, carrots, potato. We need olive oil, black pepper powder, cumin, and Arabic spices, and the salt. First tip is we need a small amount of olive oil, then garlic, then the onion and the tomato is also put together. Then we need to put the chicken. Look, so we need to cover in 15 minutes. It's already 15 minutes, and look, the chicken is no more blood, so we put hot water. Then we put black pepper powder. Then cumin. Then Arabic spices. Then salt, small salt. Then we put 1 piece of maggi. 1 piece of maggi. Then we add 4 pieces of cardamom, 1 piece of dry lemon, and 3 pieces of cardamom wood. So that's now, guys. I follow the vegetables, the carrots, we cover first, and later we follow the zucchini. Guys, I'm back. Look, the chicken is boiling. Now it's already 15 minutes, so I follow the zucchini. And the potato. And I cover 15 minutes or 20. Hey guys, this is our kabsa now. So we need to put in the small fire so that the rice is cooked very well. So that's our kabsa for today's menu. Bye bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe me in YouTube, Mariton'sMeals. Bye. God bless.